occur on. But what I'm thinking is we're trading down here in this area here. We have so many imbalances to the upside, a lot of imbalances to the upside right now. We did have this delta trap looking thing down here, and this is on the daily. No, this is 12 hour or the daily? This is the 12 hour. So in the 12 hour, we have this delta set up here. And then up here, we have target 1, which I have at our anchored VWAPs that sits close to 21,500, 600, 21,600. That's my target 1. That could be a nice target for today. Target 2 would be 22,000 for me. 22,000 looks like a good target. Not sure if you guys agree, if you think this would be a good target in the coming days, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, but I'm looking at those levels. All right, so that's what I've got for you guys. We could head down lower. Yes, we could. Obviously, we can go and test this level here at 21,000 again. We could also get down to 20,681. That's another level that I also have an eye on. So a couple of things that could occur. Just wanted to keep that in mind for you guys to take a look at. Good morning, Lerm. Good morning, my Clyte. Thanks for asking, brother. What's up, Publizi? I'm doing well, Lerm. Came here to support, but guys, have a good day in trading. Thank you, Publizi. Let's take a look at Bitcoin for Publizi and see what is going on in the Bitcoin world. Is Bitcoin going to go up or down? We don't know, but we will check it out for Publizi and see what's going on over there. All right. Let's see. All right, so let's check out the Bitcoin and see what we have there. BTC. What's going on with the good old BTC? Here we go. Yeah, BTC is dumping. It looks like it's dumping pretty hard. Oh, BTC, you're not looking so good today this morning, are you? From 89,000, we made a little run up back down to 86,000 this morning. I know Publizi likes to trade BTC. Let's take a look at the 4 hour on BTC. She is retesting yesterday's lows. Not a good look. Not a real good look for BTC. Looks like she's hurting, man. She is really hurting. Taking one on the chin. It looks pretty bullish though. I will say it looks like it's coming back for some. It looks like it's coming back for some stop losses. The delta looks pretty bullish. We'll see if it decides to take a move to the upside or a dump to the downside. We'll find out today, but that doesn't look too good at all right now. Let's take a look at the VIX and see what the VIX is telling us. The volatility index. Let's take a look at the 12-minute on the VIX or 15-minute. VIX is rising. VIX is rising this morning. We'll see what it wants to do. But right now, it looks like it doesn't want to get a little bit higher. We did fall pretty hard from where we were yesterday. Now we're kind of just going sideways. Not sure what it may want to do, but it is doing something. Take a quick look at the YM. YM is looking pretty strong, going sideways at the moment though. And the good old ES looks like it wants to come a little bit higher. Maybe come and test overnight highs again. That's what we kind of did this morning, is just retest those overnight highs. We set new overnight highs on the Nasdaq. All right, and this is where we currently are right now at the moment. All right, let's get started walking here. Can't get lazy. Sorry about that. All right. Our 30-minute looks pretty, to me, it looked pretty good this morning, the 30-minute. I did just make a new low. Not sure what it's going to want to do, but we'll let it work itself out. And we'll see what's going on. All right, we got about 20 minutes left to the open. 20 minutes left to the open. Not sure what the market has in store for us just yet. But she is looking kind of stuck here at the VWAP. The VWAP's looking kind of strong right now. Rejecting this move back up to the 300s. Now, if the market does want to head back up to those 300s, would make a nice reversal here after looking weak this morning. She did come up here pretty strong, and then she made this new low. So not really liking what I'm seeing currently, but you just never know with this market. You just never know when she could reverse on us. Yeah, she's still weak. She's still weak. All right, guys. Any good trades this morning? I'm aiming for Nvidia today. Ooh, yeah. Nvidia earnings today, guys, after hours. That's going to be fun. What's happening, y'all? Good morning, Popeye. Good to see you, Sam B. Good morning, brother. All right. Just took a small loss on my Tradefy here. 355. I tried to long that move earlier. Should have probably just taken profits. Had a low profits going on, but looks like no bueno this morning. We'll try to make it up. My eval's about to get stopped out too. Took that same trade there. So minus 355. Minus 355. Eval still. It's the eval still in the trade. This looks like a much better long here, but we'll see. I said the eval is going to get stopped too, most likely here. It just looks like a much better long now than it did before. Eval's still in the running now. Larry, what's up, Larry? Good morning. Is USA 1019, 910 right now? Yeah, it's 910. It is 910 currently right now. You have an overall bias today? My bias, Katie Pan, yeah, my bias is to the upside. I posted my trade idea in our Discord, so if you want to check it out, go right ahead. It's in our Discord, and I have some targets to the upside, and there's some targets to the downside too, but I'm a little bit more bullish bias on the day than I am bearish, but we'll see what the market has in store for us. I cannot say with a certainty. I can only say that I have an idea of what I would like to see in the market, but I'm not sure what the market has in store for me. To me right now, she looks kind of bullish. I'd like to see a pop to the upside. Not sure if we'll get it, but looks possible. There's a little bit of a struggle going on right now here at this lower 260s. I think we could get the pop though. I'd like to see the pop. I think I'm close to the pop. I got stopped out on my eval just now. We'll see if we get the pop now. We might be. It's looking possible. Daily open is down at 230, 230. Yeah, daily open is down at 230. All right, so let's get blessings for our stop loss, because if not, we'd be in massive loss. Your plan seems realistic for real? My plan? I don't know if you mean that, if you agree with me, or if you're asking. But market is crazy since Friday. Yeah, we could get another dump. I just think that logically we've been dumping since Friday, so we need a little bit of reprieve, and I think we could get it. There's imbalances that need to be filled in, and there's money that needs to be there's money that needs to be recuperated by market makers, because when they push the market down that hard, they have to go back eventually and pick up the orders that they put in. They can't stay in losses forever. They got to go back and get their money. So I'm thinking we could. I foresee a little bit of a pop maybe. We'll see. We'll see what the market brings. So let me update my stats here. Minus 337 on that trade. Minus 337. Okay. All right, so I've updated my stats here. Sorry, took a small little loss here on both my eval and my funded. I felt like it was worth the attempt. Obviously, hindsight here is 2020, and it looks like patience would have worked out a little bit better here. All right, so we got about 15 minutes left before the open. Not sure if it's worth at the moment to look into getting into a trade. If I see the perfect setup, then perhaps. If I see a really nice setup, perhaps. We'll see. Could we reverse a little bit before the daily open? ES is looking a little bit stronger than the NQ at the moment. The ES has not swept its own lows. The NQ has. That doesn't make me feel too warm or fuzzy. So we'll see. Sit patient. This market may not be ready for a reversal just yet, especially with that daily open sitting right there. It's 15:15 in Poland. Oh, Lerm, you're in Poland? So I'm going to grab some dinner. Come back in an hour. Wow, man. What's you guys having pierogies, man? I love some pierogies, man. I used to live in New Jersey. There was a lot of Polish people there, and pierogies were like, they had restaurants. A restaurant where I used to live called the Pierogi Palace. Really good stuff. Really good stuff, man. I love my Polish people. All right, so we did get that move, continued move down. Really crazy. This market has been relentless down. But to be honest with you, this kind of makes me think that they're trying to set the stage here to pump it on the open with this move down. Call me crazy. Call me crazy, but I feel like they are almost trying to just set us up for the false move first. We'll see. I don't want to stick to that bias all day. Yeah, pierogies are great. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I don't want to stick to that bias all day if it just doesn't serve me. But in the morning, that was my idea. So right now what we'll do is we will set up a new structure here to see if we can read it any better. We'll see if we start breaking structure anytime soon. Because right now, she's not looking so good. We did sweep daily open. So did the ES. ES did take out the daily open. Well, the ES did take out the VWAP and its lows that it just had. See if we get a little push here. See if we can get this market to push up to 260 here. Will be a nice little push, or maybe 280. I did take that trade on both my funded and my eval. We'll see where that gets us. See if we can get some strength in this move. Here's my current trade on Tradefy, and here's my current trade on Project X. Hopefully we can get something out of her. See if the strength is strong enough here. See if she can break the 260. That 260 level looks pretty promising. All right, she's moving. She's moving. Let's see if we can get 270. $270 could be on the chopping block here. She may lose a little strength here and come back and grab it afterwards. Not 100% sure, but we'll see. All right, she's doing okay. See if she can give that push here into 270. So a breakout is possible here. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good so far. We got about 6-7 minutes left to the open. I'd like to see us try to tap this VWAP one more time here. Can she do it? Kind of stuck there for a sec. Kind of stuck there. I might get stopped out of break even on my eval. It looks like she wants to move down. This could be an opportunity to get in again. We'll see. It looks like we're going to be getting stopped out of everything. Possibly here. Yeah, stopped out of everything. We'll see if we get a bounce here from the daily open. Not sure if we will or not. Let's see if we can't get this 270 number now. We're protected either way. The only one that's not protected is my eval. That one has a stop loss of about 375. We'll make that 350. 320. All right, let's see if we can get this push into the VWAP here. Got a few minutes left till the open. Hopefully we can. It's looking kind of weak still, but we'll see. Anything's possible. No. We'll see here. We're still in it. Still in it. And looks like the stops are coming. So you're going to muster up the strength here? Perhaps. Got about 4 minutes left to the open. See if we can get some strength before then. Or are we just going to dump into the open and then pump? We'll see. We'll see what's on the horizon. Yeah, I know, bud. I know, but I have a plan. We'll see about locking them in now. You just never know what the market's going to do next. I should have probably taken them earlier, but that's hindsight. We'll see, we'll see. Check in on our Project X here, eval. It's kind of break even. Oh no, she's dumping. All right, so we got taken out of break even on our... We got stopped out of break even on our funded account, and our eval still in it. All right, looks like she wants more downside. All right, we'll wait till after the open to see what the market has in store for us, because she's just running stops to the downside right now. I don't want to get caught up in too many of these bull traps here, so we'll be patient. Doing good here, Lerm. BTC breaking below 86 at the moment. Yeah, I saw that. Took an early short at pre-market open. Hope for fireworks. Yeah, fireworks could be coming. A lot of manipulation to the downside here, though. Yeah, 1 minute left to the open, so we'll be patient and wait. Hands off everything right now. Although this would be a sad story here if we did get a pump, which I was kind of expecting, but just never know here. You just never know. Yeah, it looks like she is absorbing a lot of sell pressure here, which is a good sign. Good sign that she's absorbing here. All right, market's open. Good luck to everybody. All right, she's moving down again. She's relentless on this pursuit of liquidity to the downside today. All right, so we'll just wait. Nothing we can do at the moment. Okay, so what's the next level to the downside here that she may be reaching for? Looks like she might be going for those overnight lows here. Overnight lows right now are sitting at 200, and we're just tapping into them now. All right, she's got it. She grabbed them. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, she had a huge delta spike to the downside here. We'll see if she continues making lower lows here, or if she kind of chops around in this area between the daily open and the overnight lows. It's kind of what I'm thinking she may do. She may build some kind of a base here. All right, we'll sit tight here. So we have Nvidia earnings today, guys, after the bell. And that's going to really make a big difference today in the markets. We are getting a really nice setup here on the 12-minute. And looks like the market is absorbing all of that here to the upside. Nice candle here. Looks like a bullish candle. Right, that 12-minute is got about 3 minutes left in it in order to kind of solidify here what the market's going to do on this first attempt. The 12-minute candle is usually what I use as my my signal. Then I move into the smaller time frames like the 3-minute. Right now I've got the 1 minute up just to keep track of what's going on, minute by minute. SPX is gap filling. Okay. What's up, Tashobi? Good morning. Big day after hours today. Yeah, it is. It sure is. It sure is a big day today. Okay. Keep getting calls from spam numbers here. All right. Yeah, a lot of relentless selling this morning, just like every other open that we've had. Only difference today is that we're having a pretty big sell-off before the open, but at the open here we're seeing a little bit of a possible buying interest here at this level of 200, the overnight low. FXLSNJY, what a name, FX. I'm just gonna call you FX. I won a TTT 50K direct giveaway, but due to restrictions in my country, I can't claim it. Do you want to buy the TTK 50K direct account for 250? No, I'm all right, brother. I have enough accounts, but thank you. Maybe somebody in the community might be interested. I've never even heard of TTT. All right, let's see what this market wants here. A lot of dumping. I think the market is pretty spooked on these Nvidia earnings, man. I really do. We'll see if the market actually wants to continue selling off here. And if it does, if it sells off pretty much all day, I'm expecting the Nvidia report to actually pump the market. Or if we pump today, the Nvidia numbers could actually dump the market. But we will see. Right now, we've only got about 5 minutes into the session, and the movements we're seeing are still very bearish here. Seeing a lot of movements that look to me like they're just trying to pick up liquidity. Bear traps, bull traps, I see them both. Right now, there is no direct signal yet to either direction. At least I don't see it. If you guys are jumping into this, expect a little bit of whiplash in both directions here. Let me update my stats here. I gotta keep it real with you guys. You can see my funded is down on 2 trades. 657. My eval is down. My eval is down $1,000. All right, no sweat though. We'll get back. Tashobi says he thinks that Nvidia will cause some after-hour moves. They would trend in the overnight session. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah. All right, let's see what we get here. Looks pretty interesting here. See if the market has any indication of what direction they may want to head in. Right now we're getting a lot of chop. I do suspect that she may want to pop higher though. That's just my bias for the day. Call me crazy. I do suspect she may want to go higher. Take a look at the 3-minute, see what that looks like, what that's shaping up to be. It's pretty bullish. Everything here looks pretty bullish. Looks like now she may want to make that run for 260. And looks like she has some strength behind her too. Scared the hell out of me. All right, we have a VWAP tap. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, a VWAP tap. And it looks like we could continue making this move upward. I suspect that's the direction she may want to go in. Let's see if that's the case. Let's see if that's the case. It's kind of still early to say. Let's take a look at the 1-minute. Oh, yep, there she goes. All right, looks like she may have picked a direction. If she can hold this VWAP here and start building some candles above it, looks like she may have picked the direction she wants to go in for the morning session. Right now she's coming back for a little bit. See if she can catch support somewhere maybe in the 240s. The ES is also stuck at the VWAP. Very similar price action this morning. Very similar. Okay. We're getting some bearish absorption here on the 3-minute candles. See if the market may want to take off from here. Looks like it may. She said, not so fast. She said, hold my poodle. She may gonna come back for one more move. Let's see if they can find support here on the daily open. Looks like it might be possible. Maybe she still has a little push here to the downside, or maybe she just runs. Trying to see if she'll settle down and give us a direction here. Will she tap the daily open here again, or even possibly sweep the lows again? This move did have volume to it. This candle that we got off of that reversal at the overnight lows, that did have a lot of volume in it. Let's see if the bulls can defend those levels. Right now it looks like they are trying. But here we go, tapping the daily open. Okay, let's see what our ATR is at the moment. ATR looks like it's sitting at 25, not bad. Yesterday we had a 40 ATR, just crazy. It was literally insane. And this push down was pretty nasty here. Wow. We built an anchor to the downside on the 3-minute. That's a starting point. So let's see if we can let's see what happens here, because this was a pretty strong push. Sellers are definitely present here. And if they do want to continue moving this market down, we do have yesterday's close here at 150. I believe the 150 is yesterday's close. Starting to get a little push right here in the opposite direction. Market looks pretty strong right now. Looks like that candle is turning into a bit of a hammer. Makai, what's up, brother? 21,149 is yesterday's PCP, previous closing price. Yeah, I think that's what I just saw, 149. I have it outlined right here. Maybe we get that. Maybe we get down to that level. I think it's possible. This push down is, I don't think over, but we'll see. Yeah, so it's going to be a little bit of time here before I see the proper setup for me to take. We just did something that I look for, which is set a new low on Delta. Once we set that new low, I like to see the formation kind of try to build strength, then additionally give us one more drop down, and then that usually signals a reversal at that point. Right now I think we're just going to chop a bit until we pick a direction. If we do move higher off this move, I'll catch it a little bit later on, maybe after we make another drop, maybe up in here, but we'll see. This looks like a pretty decent move. Looks like it could have some potential to the upside. ES is also struggling, stuck between the VWAP and the daily open. NQ looks like it's doing the same type of dance, but using the overnight lows as opposed to using the daily open. It's got a little bit more of a range here. Center point of the NQ range is the daily open, almost about the 50. This is pretty crazy. And we've got the VWAP sitting right here at 260. Right now, can't really figure out what it wants to do next. Stuck in the chop. If you ask me, I think it's gonna go higher. I do still think it's gonna go higher. Could return for some more action though, or possibly give us a little bit of a dip down. We'll see. Armando, what's up, brother? Good morning. Sorry I'm late. Didn't had a good night and needed to sleep in a bit more. No, take your time, brother. If you needed to sleep, it must not be a normal night. Thank you for being here either way, brother. Appreciate you. All right. Looks like we are still kind of bouncing here. Market did look strong for a second, but it got rejected once more from VWAP. I do think she's going to keep attempting this run higher. Looks like she's going for it now. All right, she's going to sweep this local level here. Or she just missed it. Wow. At 274. She's getting that sell pressure big time. Okay. Looks like this could be a drop. Does she deliver us a drop here, or does she continue going higher? Delta's looking, I don't know. Yeah, Delta's looking okay for the upside still. It can go either way. I don't have a set target just yet here. Looking pretty bullish still, looking pretty bullish. Still like it. Next target would be 280, 285. Let's see if she'll go. And she's going. She's going to pop hard here. A lot of action here. All right, nice move up, nice move up. As long as we're under 290, I'm bearish, says Makai. 290 is your line in the sand, which is right over here. 290 in here. All right, we're going for the 285 level next. That's it. Looks like she wants it. Okay. All right, looks like I might have missed the trap here. Looks like the trap was set here in this little move. Could have had a nice run up here to 285. Great entry right here. Nothing but straight up after that. 50-point move. We did build a little bit of a W in that move. here, 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 here. Little W. Let's see if she continues to go. I think she does. All right, we got 280 right above. All right. 285 is about to get filled. There we go, 283. Okay, buying pressure stepping in now. $285. Nice move. All right, let's see if we get a little bit of reversal here. Let's see if there's any sellers waiting by here. Looks like they're not. Looks like that move down this morning was just a trap in order to move this market higher. That's what it looks like to me. Looking back on hindsight, this is a perfect setup for the long. The 942 would have been a perfect setup right there. Not gonna lie, a little recency bias and did get in my head here thinking we could push even further down on this candle. It did get in my head, but we are above 290 now, Micaiah, so bias could be flipped now, right? In your case, right? 290 seems like a good important level. We just hit 300, but we haven't held it yet. There's a new very helpful feature in Project X. Go to settings, miscellaneous, and select distance to MML. Oh yeah, a lot easier to manage your available drawdown. I like that. Let's see, go to settings, miscellaneous, distance to MML. Wow. Save. Okay, cool. Thank you, brother. I like that. Yeah, I see a DMLL. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for that. Just watching. Okay, Makai. I see a possible, maybe a little reversal here. Maybe a little reversal back down. We'll see. Possible little reversal before the pump again. $300's tapped again. Let's see. 307. Next level is 331, the overnight highs. Let's see if we can pierce those. She may fold a little bit before then. Taking 60% profit on MES. Orb worked out perfectly today. Nice motivation. You got to show us that trade. VIX good to me this morning. It looks good, huh, for a pump? Looks good for a pump. Let's see if the sellers are relentless or if they're going to come back into play here. Just missing the overnight highs here at 320. We got up to 320. Overnight high sit at 331. Possible move back down to VWAP here, just as I expected. Okay. These moves are fast, guys. These moves are fast. I need silver to hit $32, and then I pass my 150K eval. Nice, Popeye. Good for you, brother. New 1 hour candle incoming in 3 minutes. I think that's the decision maker. Okay. I think we might get a little bit of a pullback here before going higher. We'll see. She's finding support on the VWAP currently, but it looks like she may still want to go lower. No real reason to continue lower. We've gotten the imbalances out of the way this morning. All right. Doing everything it has to. Okay. All right, she might be pushing higher here. She may want to retest this previous high we just set here at 310, 312. We had 1,400 orders here on this big candle. It shows a lot of volume, shows like buyers wanting to get away from these trap sellers. We retested it once more in here. They bought it right back up again. Market could be trying to get away from these sellers here at 21,200. We'll see. Looking kind of bullish right now at the moment. Imbalance is still on SPX, but not on NQ. If SPX drops to fill those imbalances, NQ will follow, yeah. Let me see where you found those imbalances on the ES. Yeah, I see. Down at the VWAP still. Yeah, they move kind of different, don't they? Yeah, looks like she might want to go higher. Higher prices coming in, maybe? Yeah, so she wants it. Yeah, right now, so it looks like higher prices is where we need to be. And we just swept that local high. Tell you what, if you're in a long, it's still not an easy long here to hold on to. The market seems very still uncertain of itself. We have a new candle, new 1 hour candle now. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes, see what that's like currently. She could take another drop down. It's possible. So she may want higher. Still higher. Looks like she's reaching here for 331. All right, 331's around the corner here. We get a nice little pop back up to 331. We'll sweep the overnight highs. Market doesn't always necessarily need to do it. Once in a while she will. Let's see if we can move down here to the VWAP. a nice push to VWAP. That'll be good. Let's see if we can take that one here. Let's see if we get this little push here. I'll take it off. All right, so we're up 720 on our eval. That's good. I don't think I'm gonna trade my Traderify for the rest of the day. I'm not feeling too good about it. I might start a new eval instead. Had some losses this morning, so not exactly happy about that. Let's go ahead and update that. We're up 720 here. Okay, cool. All right, so we took a nice short there. Did expect a rebound from there, so I took it off quickly. All right, so we're fine. We're just gonna give our funded account a rest for the rest of the day. Welcome, Jeff. I don't know if I said welcome to the channel. I don't even know if I heard you, but welcome to the channel if I didn't say good morning yet. All right. She's pumping hard here. All right, looks like she is trying to still move up to 320. That is obviously the level I believe she wants to get to. 331 is where we had the overnight highs. We could see a bounce here from the VWAP, which we just did, right into those overnight highs. But I am seeing possible setup for another reversal if we do break through there. We're seeing this pattern right here emerge. So I want to have you guys be careful with that. There's 32 on silver eval pass. Nice job, brother. What's up, Jared? Good morning. How you doing, brother? All right. Got ourselves a new eval with Tradefy just now. I have the Buonox ones that I'm trading right now, and I'm working on this new eval here. Let's see what we get with this new eval. I think this market does want to scream higher. To be completely honest with you, I think we go 331 right now. That's a given. I think she's been done clowning around in here. So far, so good. How about you? I'm up 720 on my eval, but I'm down pretty nasty on my funded here. Almost about the same, about 652. So we'll leave that alone. And I don't feel like trading my funded anymore at this point. And our live P&L, I don't know if I'll be trading my live today. I have to transfer some funds over there. The short looks kind of better now. We'll see what if the market does give us a screaming short, but we'll play it by ear. She could still be pumping higher. It's very possible. I think it is very probable. We just got a new spike in volume here, a big one. So that could be the anchor. On a 12-minute, at least it's the anchor. On a 3-minute, it's not the anchor yet. But I think you could get there. Okay, looks short might be more probable right now. We'll see. We'll give it a minute. All right. Guys, how's this music? This music kind of found its way on my computer by itself. Doesn't seem horrible. It's just some like tranquil, like relaxing meditation music. If it's cool, just let me know it's cool. All right. Yeah, yesterday we had a poll. We ran a poll yesterday. Who's worse now, Apex or Top Step? And a lot of people were saying that Top Step is actually worse now, but some people were saying that obviously Apex is still the best. I'm sorry, that Top Step is still the best. They have the best payout structure, best payout rules, things like that. And I agree. To an extent, I think Top Step is still on top. Apex is not too far behind. I think if you're an Apex trader and you know how to play the game, it's very doable. I think it's very doable. So it just depends on what your preference is, I guess. So I think I'm going to make a video on that. It's called Apex versus Top Step, and we'll examine line by line which one is actually better. If there's one that's actually better suited for most, maybe one's better suited for beginners, some of them is better suited for more advanced traders. There could be pros and cons to both. So I think I'm going to work on that maybe later today. Happens to the best of us. I'm down on my eval this morning, so I'm just paper trading, so I don't want to rage trade. Yeah, the tunes are fine. Thank you, Jack. Appreciate it. Yeah, every day can't be green. I wish it could, but I don't think it can. Yeah, we might get a short opportunity in here. We will see. We will see. Not 100% sure yet. We have to let things play out. We still have plenty of time left in this 12-minute candle. One second, guys. Looks like the market wants to inch higher. Still got plenty of time here, guys, so I don't want to make any assumptions yet. We could get a range day here until we could get a range day until this afternoon. Who knows? And then maybe this afternoon it breaks us out into one direction or the other. Could get a nasty move after 4. Usually we do. When we have Nvidia earnings, we usually have a pretty nasty day, don't we? She is attempting to appear strong here. I just don't know if I trust her. If we do break out from here, we do have some levels above us, obviously, right? I called them out this morning. We got yesterday's high here first at 450. That'd be a pretty intense move if we get it. It's possible she does want to squeeze up there. Looks like the breakout's looking pretty good. Okay, maybe that is not our signal yet. We sit and we wait. NQ, what do you want to do? NQ, what do you want to do? Tell me. Yeah, she's pushing. Inching higher, grinding higher. Grinding higher. Ooh, there she goes. Oh, she's pumping. She's pumping. Yeah, we knew that squeeze was coming. We knew it. Liking shorts around 404, says Micaiah. Micaiah, you haven't changed your bias at this point, though? Because you said, I think 290 would have changed your bias to long, but do you still think that we could reject and come lower? 404, quite a ways, though. Are you in a long? I'm going to call you Ab. What's up, Ab? Why do you don't tell us when to buy or sell? Rather you show us your entries late. No, man, I can't tell you when to buy or sell. I can't tell you. I do let you guys know when I'm in the trade. I do. I don't want to make the mistake of telling you guys when to buy or sell because I'm not a financial advisor, number one. And number two, I don't want you guys taking any trades that I take because if you take it wrong, I'm not to blame for that. What I do is I show you what I look for. I'm always telling you guys what I'm looking for. And then if it happens and you want to take a trade like I do, then just take the trade because I'm teaching you guys how to fish instead of giving you the fish if you don't know how to trade already. If you know how to trade already, you don't need to hear me at all. But I'm just trying to teach you guys how to fish instead of giving you the fish. And I don't want to tell you guys when to take the trade because first of all, I am not even a profitable trader. Second of all, I'm not a financial advisor. And third of all, when I show you guys my trades too often, there is always somebody who wants to tell me that I'm doing something wrong. And it gets pretty annoying. So I tell you guys about the trades when I'm in them, when I take it, maybe like a couple of seconds after, because I am not looking for you guys to follow me trades. And I'm not keeping the trades on the screen the whole time, most times, because I do not want to hear someone tell me why am I trading against a trend one more time. So you guys see my P&Ls. I share that with you. I show you guys when I have losses and when I have wins. Today I don't have. Today I had a nasty little loss here in my funded, so I'm gonna put that on hold. But please do not take a trade like I do. Take your own trades, and if you want to follow the same strategy I do, I teach you my strategy. But you have to make the call. You have to pull the trigger. I can't pull it for you. I think we're going to reject, yes, from 404. I'm out at the moment. I like trade shorts mostly. I recognize it's bullish right now, though. I am a bit new here, so that's why. No worries, man. If you want to find a trader, a trading community that gives you signals and gives you like entries and exits, there's guys out there, but I wouldn't trust anybody's. You have to formulate your own plan. If you like our strategy, great. Just look for the opportunities yourself. That's why I'm always constantly telling you guys, look at the CVD, look at the delta, and the delta will tell you when it's time to take the trade. I can't tell you when the time to take the trade because I'm wrong half the time or more. My stats are not 100%, and I don't want to be responsible for you guys losing $1, not even $1. Hopefully you can appreciate that and that makes sense. All right, so I don't know if we're going to see a bit of a drop just yet, but we are squeezing higher inch by inch. Is this market going to turn super bullish? Remember that those levels I have marked up above us. I think it's possible we could get there today. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. We're getting that a little bit drop. This drop could bring us back down to VWAP. Okay. Yeah, this to me is signaling probably more upside coming in. But we'll see how far she wants to drop first. Yeah, this has created a good buy entry. Let her settle in first and see where that takes us. We have about 11 minutes left in this candle though. Ooh, bought up quickly. This candle could lead us into a straight pump, but we will see. Let's see ATR at the moment. ATR has spiked up to 32, guys, so be careful. Yeah, I think the longs are starting to shape up pretty good. I'm not sure if this is the furthest down it wants to go to, but it is a good spot. We did have some demand here earlier. Let's see if she can let's see if she's going to continue this. We have 10 seconds left in the 3 minute, which makes it look very bullish at the moment. if it can retain this structure above the overnight high. But if it can't, then we will see a move back down here. We still got 9 minutes left in this 12-minute candle. She still got more juice left in her to the downside. More juice. She ain't gonna make it that easy. Hitting the 21 maybe the VWAP again, maybe sweeping this level here. She could come back to sweep this level. Keep in mind this level is very juicy. That level is juicy, juicy right there. All right, so we got the drop from the upside. Look at this. Yep. Everything looks so perfect in hindsight here. The drop here looked perfect. We got it. And now we should have seen this one here. And I think she comes down to sweep this level here at 60s, the 260s. Watch that level there. ES possible tweezer top, taking small short here to see if it plays. Good job, Micaiah. Good job, brother. I think your level is going to be good, maybe into the 60s here. Yeah, shorts are piling in. Shorts are definitely piling in here, and we could see a flush down to grab this liquidity under the 60s. Took 500 on that with a couple of runners in play for the break even now. Got Makai as a beast. Good job, Makai. Good job, brother. I froze up like a deer in the headlights here. I didn't take that. Even though I saw it from like 100 feet away, and I didn't take it. I'm such a douche. I can call them, but I can't play them. Yeah, I didn't like the fact that I missed that one. All right, I got to get out of that mindset. I'm good, man. I'm good. I got to stop with that. Overthinking stuff. All right, let's see what she does. She just gave us a nice little dump here. Trend 1 at 200 EMA on the smaller time frame, still holding. Good job, brother. Good job. All right, so we kind of broke the structure. We haven't swept yet, so it makes me still feel like the market may have still a move down in it. So we'll see if we can still get into this short possibly at 330. What's up, Giga Rick? After Friday, I have trade paralysis. Yeah, I kind of have the same thing going on. I don't trust any move anymore, man. And sometimes the moves happen just like you think. Just like you think, they play out, and then when you play them, they don't work out like you think, and you get paralysis. Yeah, man. Sorry. I'm sorry I'm showing you guys that on camera. It's not a good thing to do. Sorry, VWAP, not 200, but same concept. All right. All right. Oh, yeah, now I like the shorts even better here. The shorts are looking pretty nice. We can get this pump up into the overnight high here. Let's see if we can try to clean up this entire candle. Top Step isn't going to like me today. Oh, really? You're killing it, huh? Nice bounce of VWAP, took 900. Mike Light, iron, man. Good for you, brother. Are you fading Top Step? Is that why? I got a minute left in this candle. Let's see what it wants to do. 3 minutes left in the 12. Market is trying to move back up here. Let's see if we can hit that 331 again. Clean up all those imbalances that left behind. 10 seconds left in this candle. Larry Hudo, what's up, brother? Walkmaster, yeah, that's me. It's going pretty good, man. Yeah, my risky FXAs are up 2,700 today. What's your target? Well, you know better. You know best. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing, bud. Let's see if we can. Let's see if this market actually wants to go higher, or if she wants to come back lower or sweep those lows underneath the VWAP. Targets don't really exist for me. I just trade until it becomes evident. I don't know what I'm doing. It isn't working for me. I don't know what I'm doing. It is. I mean, it looks like it's working for you. I'm not sure if you mean the opposite, but it looks like it's working pretty well for you. I can usually feel that. It gets real frustrating when it happens. I stop and look up. For sure. Let's see what this market wants to do here. Let's see if she pushes down here to the VWAP once more. Maybe down to sweep those lows we had there. All right, she wants to go higher, it looks here. Yeah, well, she did the unthinkable here. Instead of sweeping the low, she went higher. Yeah, this looks like a straight trap. Okay. Not really sure what she's trying to do here. Looks like she does want to trap some more traders long, in my opinion. We'll see if she double tops here or if she just wants to tap this 350 level. And give her a little time here to play out. Yeah, it could be higher that she wants. We'll see. Yeah, that's a quick change there. Quick change of direction. Hmm. She's absorbing buyers here. I mean, she's absorbing sellers. Let's see what happens. There she goes, pushing higher. Let's see if we get this push down here. I think we get the push down. Oh, looks like she wants to go higher, huh? Still higher. Maybe lower. Nothing. More chop here. Careful with these moves. All right, guys, she is bouncing here off the overnight highs. She is trying to make support here. Did have some selling action here before. Let's see if she'll push down. She's trying here. Let's see if you can get this pushed down. More chop. What a chop. What a chop fest. What a chop fest this is. We'll just sit tight and wait for this move to play out. Just no volume, yeah. What do you see in the market? I see D-Trader. Okay, right now, what I'm going to tell you is that I see a possible reversal down to sweep these lows. That's number one. I also see that we had 1200 on this candle, which is more than what we had up here. So we have more traders trapped here, so that means we could go higher instead. So I'm thinking it could be either one. I'm open to either one. I did like the reversal a little bit here because we did have this little bit of a kind of a trap set. But now she's just so darn choppy that I just don't even know what to call. I don't even know what to call it anymore. So we just have to see, won't we? I just don't know. She's not picking a direction at the moment. Waiting for a dip to buy since Fang's still holding on demand. Yeah, could be the good move. Yeah, looks like we might have swept as much as we needed to. At this moment now, I can't even call it because we're getting so much, whatever. We're just getting so much chop, it's just hard to call. I still would like to see a formation happen down here on the 12-minute. That's why I am kind of like waiting for another drop down. I did see this. This was indication of a drop. Just be patient until it's obvious. I just don't want to take any more bad trades. It's only 10:48 and there's already this chop here. It does look more like obviously a bull flag. It does look more like a possible bull flag here, so a push up higher could be exactly what is in store. There she goes. Possible push here. Getting rejected from 340. Let's see if she has got it in her to go back, tap those 370 level again. She probably does. She probably does. We just tapped that trade, that short there. Oh, I forgot it's 3 accounts. We're up 1182 on this account. So we'll eval. Forgot it's 3 accounts. 1182 times 3, 35. On the 3 evals that we're trading here, we're at about 35.46. These are 3 Bionox evals. If you guys are interested in trading the Bionox also, with Bionox as well, they're 91% off until the 28th. So that's $15 for an eval. Let's see, we're at 52.60. We're at 52.631. So we just need a $400 trade. $400 trade, that's all we need. Let's see if we can set 400. Okay, save. All right, so we're gonna take $400 trade. That's all we need to make this to make these evals pass. That's usually the trade of all of them, is when we only need one more. Okay. Waiting for a bid to buy since Fang is still holding. Yeah, this is a bit of a chop fest here. Super choppy. We will see what the market has for us. Yeah. So my two, I know you guys are asking earlier, my 2 ideas are either we come back here to grab the liquidity and go higher, or we forget about the liquidity and we just start bursting through the seams now and go higher. Those are the 2 things I'm thinking. So could be creating a little bit of a range here, popping through here could lead to massive. This could turn into something like this, and we could get another move high. Okay. So at the moment, I am open for either one. Looks like the bulls might be taking over. This candle looks pretty strong. Could get a double top. If we get a double top, then and no follow through, then we get the rollover. We might break out now. Yeah, it says motivation. Yeah, we could. Thank you guys for the likes. I haven't asked you guys for any likes today. We have only 11 likes, 26 viewers. Can we get it up to 20 likes? And here's some other thing you could do. If you already like the stream, there's these little emojis right next to the chat that you can hit whenever you like something that somebody says, or if you want to congratulate someone for passing an eval, anything like that, just go ahead and check that out. Do recommend Bionox over a Take Profit Trader. I'm looking to try something different from Top Step. I like them both for different reasons. I like Bionox because you can pass in one day, and the evals are $15. And I like Take Profit Trader because you can get paid daily if you cross over the threshold. So I wouldn't say one or the other. I'd say why not both? They're only $15 right now for Bionox, And Take Profit Trader right now is only 85 bucks with the coupon code New Year's 50. Use the link down below. If you guys can't, try my coupon code Smooth Trader. Not sure if it's working. If it doesn't work, then go ahead and use New Year's 50. But please try Smooth Trader first, because I'm not sure if they have activated my. I'm not sure if they've activated my coupon code. It's either Smooth or Smooth Trader. If you do me the favor, try that out. It would mean a lot. Okay. All right, we're getting full of fake breakouts here. Full of fake breakouts. We got a minute 48 left before we can see if there's anything left in this 3-minute candle here. This 3-minute candle here could signal that we might be moving higher. The CVD is setting up for a bounce on the delta down here. If this could pop, if this here can pop, this would be nice. If we can get a pop here underneath that, then we could be looking for a. All right. Let's see what happens. More and more chop, huh? Could probably pass it. We could probably pass an eval here just on the chop. Either way, that Bionox code only lasts until the 28th. So if you guys want to try them out for only $15, $15.75, 76 cents, something like that, check them out. Also, if you guys do not pass your evals, no worries. You guys can just let it renew next month, and it'll only be $15 as well when it renews. It will not renew at the normal price of $175. So don't worry. Do not worry. I think in the beginning I deleted some, didn't realize that they actually don't charge you the full amount when they renew. It's only 75 bucks. So, I mean, it's only 15 bucks. So that's good. Keep them going if you want to. All right, let's see if we can break down through here. This is kind of like the new trend we have. We also have obviously a little bit of a wedge happening here. And keep in mind, usually a breakout of the wedge, the first move out of the wedge is usually the false one. Had to step away, but back. Yeah. Did you have to reset your mind, Micaiah? Because sometimes I feel like I have to do that, even if it's for a few seconds. Sometimes I feel like I just got to walk away, close my eyes, and envision what I'm doing wrong and try to calm myself and to not do it again. Okay, I'm liking the shorts. Nah, not that kind of step away. I had some work to do. Okay, cool. That works too. Yeah, the shorts are looking all right. I think we can get a breakdown of to the downside first, and then we'll pop after we sweep the 260 level. I think that's what we might do. It's kind of starting to look that way. Check out the 12-minute. Look at the 12-minute, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. Still have another minute and 20 seconds left in that 12-minute, but it is looking kind of trappy. It looks kind of trappy. This to me looks kind of trappy. Doesn't mean we can't break up first. It just tells me what kind of trade I'm looking for. Just pushing higher. What's up, Biblical? So far, I like Bionox, except the 10 days of trading. But they have 40% consistency rule, which is nice. Yeah, 40 is not bad. 20 is pretty rough. No prop firm is perfect, guys. But Buellnox doesn't seem like one that constantly makes new rules to make it harder. Their rules have been their rules. I also like Tradefy a lot. If you guys want to check out Tradefy, I believe their 50K growth account is $97 with no activation fee. So if you want to check them out too. They're a really good option. I like them a lot. Bottom line is their funds got to play by their rules. Yeah, exactly. All right, we got the breakout here from the wedge. We got the breakout from the wedge. Nice. Had that doji candle there. That was a good indication. Should have went long on it. Yeah, next level above us is 450, guys. If we the market wants to go that high, it can go to 450. All right, looks like she's picked a direction for now. Higher is what she wants. On a 3-minute CVD looks pretty strong. Looks like it's going to get stronger. Let's see if she continues to get the pop here. Or will she get moved back down to the downside? She's trying to find support off the trend line. All right, she's pushing higher. She got to push off the trend line. Now she looks like she wants to go back out for the 380. Or do we get more chop? Do we come back down for more chop? That is the question. All right, come on, baby. What you gonna do? She could possibly roll over. She did sweep the highs here at 380. Is there a possibility she rolls over? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I don't like the trade setup. I don't want to take anything here just yet. I just need one more small trade to get these combines over the end zone. 1 hour supply zone 400 to 450. Yeah, I saw that too. 450 looks like yesterday's high. She could push up there. Yeah, buyers are consuming the sellers right now. They're engulfing the sellers with this absorption that you see here with this yellow candle. Can't say I didn't expect it. Definitely did. You know, I say sometimes you just got to buy high and sell higher. Or you could just wait for the reversal. See, either one happens first. I think she pushes at 450. She could go to 400 and 450. Yeah, so she'll push higher here. CVD still looking strong. Sellers are trying to move this move down. I don't know if it's gonna work. Still looks strong. Okay. 400 could be that new level it's looking for. Let's see if it gets to 400 next. Looks like it's going. I see a slow grind, possibly a slow grind here all the way up to yesterday's high at 450. That's what it looks like it's doing. It's gonna be one of those days. Could be one of those days. Delta's just getting stronger and stronger. I wouldn't short this yet. This does not look like a short. All right, just got to be patient here, guys. See if I can transfer some funds over into my live account. I want to start trading that. Might as well do it during trading hours. Because we got some time on our hands here, because it looks like the market is just going to creep up higher. Oh, Tesla got hammered, huh? Tesla has been getting hammered. Can't believe how much it's gone down. All right. All right. Look, she looks like she wants the top here, guys, but I don't know. She's probably gonna squeeze higher. That's what this looks like right now. It looks like a squeeze play. Been there before, seen it firsthand, felt it. It looks like that is exactly what it could be setting up for here. I want to be the one to find out. Longs still look better. I mean, at this point, yeah, maybe not so much if you haven't already gotten into one, but the longs still look better. Shorts are not ready. Wow, looks like they're trying to push it down, but not really able to. Yeah, this is gonna take off like a rocket here. Yeah, they're trying to hold this market down here, but this could take off like a rocket. Delta's getting stronger to the downside, but the bulls are really absorbing that, buying it up. One of the two is going to snap here. Either we're going to race to the upside here if bulls keep absorbing, or bulls could get exhausted here, and we can get a rollover. I think it's probably going to be the bulls here that are going to pull out the win. Could get popped into 420. We just hit 400 though, psychological level. Keep that in mind. If the bears do pull this off, we could get a move back into the trend line or even the overnight highs here. It's hard to say who's going to pull this one off. Let's look at this though. This is looking pretty good. See here, bulls defend this level here at 388, possibly 385, or if it's all downhill from here. Still got plenty of time in this candle here. So bulls are defending. Yeah, this price action is horrible. This slow grindy stuff is crazy. Okay, we got this move down here to 375. Looks like she's trying to come and tap the trend line once more. Possibly finding support here off previous resistance. 370 level. Yeah. Could we get a full blown reversal here? Yeah, that is possible too. It is possible too. But we did see the delta getting stronger here as we were moving higher, so that's still keeping me bullish on this move. If we now get another delta bar in the green here after this one, that then could be a possible indication for me to want to get short. Right now I'm kind of neutral on the market. I do still like the longs better. I don't know what she's going to do. It's a very confusing type of setup that we have at the moment. This possibly looks like something. The market's gotten really choppy. I think that ATR has dropped considerably. We're down to what, 29 now? It's getting a little better. 30s and 40s, that's kind of high. You can get really hurt in those kind of markets. I have a sell limit set at 420, very small, looking for a scalp. Yeah, sucks right now. It's going in the other direction. What's up, Katie? ES at resistance, only concern for long. Yeah, I should have stuck with my original 404 level. That would have hit perfectly. Yeah. It's hard to trust these little moves here. These little small consolidation moves are really hard to figure out. We still got about 4 minutes left in this 12-minute candle. See if it ends up closing in this formation. That would make me feel more bullish about the market. I don't know if she's going to hold here. Remember what we said, usually the break, when we get the breakout, the first move is usually the false move. So maybe this is the false move for that big move down lower. Could be possible. You just got to think which one is more probable, which one's more reeking of manipulation. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like she's trying to absorb here. All right. Should be able to transfer money maybe in about an hour. So waiting for my cash to settle to go in my live account. Trade something on my live account. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what she wants to do. Yeah. Hard one to figure out here, guys. Gonna be honest with you. Strong sell on SPX. Going to sit on my hands. Fang been stuck in the range for the last 40 minutes. Yeah. I don't blame you. I don't blame you because this does not look like much of anything. Yeah, I would have passed on that move right there. I moved to break even way too soon. Okay. All right, this pop here to 21,400 could have been it, but I still see a possible trap being formed right here in these lower time frames. So we could get a little pop into the 400s again. So be careful with it. It could have just been a sweep there. Yep. Still pushing lower. You went short on that signal? What's up, Big Pun? I'm only in profits right now on my eval. Everything else right now is not looking so bueno. Yeah, concerned here. Kind of concerned here with market and what it wants to do. To me, it looks too confusing. I mean, I see signals for both. That's the crazy part. I see signals for both, but the buys still look better. And if bulls defend this area here, could see a pop to the upside. When in doubt, stay out. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do. That's a good saying, man. When in doubt, stay out. I like that. Yeah, we got to practice our patience with trading. Trading's not a game of reps. It's a game of patience and waiting. So you see what you like. Bull stairs, bears window. Yeah, I know. Could be one of those, right? It could be one of those. We could have a huge drop, and that's the only thing that would make sense, is if we had a huge drop. I think we did trap some bulls on that move. I think we trapped more bears just now. If we keep pushing down and we don't allow the market to get back up to 21.4, then that makes sense. That makes sense that what we are doing right now is possibly just rolling over. Hard one to call here, guys. Hard one to call. I mean, if she ever give you a more mixed bag here, I don't know when I've seen one, but this is a pretty mixed bag here. And the chop has become a real thing here. The chop has become a real thing. Let's see what we have here with this. We're down to back up. New 30-minute candle in 2 minutes. Wait for it. Yeah, I'm looking at the 30-minute now. Let me see. It don't look too good. It don't look too good for the bulls here. But it doesn't look good for the bears either. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say here. Kind of still thinking the bulls can pull this off. Got that new candle. I don't know. It's a mixed bag here. It's a mixed bag. Decided to close all buy trades. Decided to all close all buy trades. Yeah, it's probably the best thing to do. This market looks very strange. Very strange indeed. All right, they're trying to push the market down here. Trying to make this market look a little more bearish than it probably is. See if there's any chance of a reversal. If it does drop and it wants to grab liquidity, that liquidity is probably sitting down here by the VWAP or the 280s, maybe even the 260s. Are you still in your, Makai, you're still in your long? 500 more bones in my pocket. Oh, you took the short? Run us to break even? Oh, you went short? You switched your bias? Good for you, Makai. Or you went with your original bias, I should say. Yeah, you shorted? Okay, cool. Ay, ay. Slow grind up, slow grind down. Slow grind up, slow grind down, guys. Overnight highs are still sitting here at 331. Day one of this new XFA up 3K. Wow, Micaiah. Man, you gotta watch this. You gotta show us your strategies, man. Is it just instinct, or can you boil it down to saying it's probably just more instinct than anything else? If we get this run up back here in one candle to like to 21.4, then that's probably the liquidity sweep. There we go. Let's see where liquidity might be stacked at. Do we have any liquidity anywhere? 85. Could have some orders here at 85. Might be going for that. It's mostly instinct, right? Yeah, that's what I like the fact that you said that, because that makes me feel better about all this. Comes with time and instinct, and I feel like there is no perfect strategy. It does really just come down to your instinct and your emotions. At the end of the day, that's all it is. See what the market actually wants here. Whether that's a move up or a move down. More up, huh? I just got stopped out for a $400 loss there on that. Brings my XFA, that brings my, what's it called? That brings my evals down to 777 for the day. That sucks. Because I actually really do believe in this short now at this point. But I had to put a stop in there, didn't I? Alright, so it looks like 777 times 3 is what? 2,500 more or less? Let's save that. That sucks. Alright, let's see if she drops or let's see if she continues going higher. It's funny because I did like the long from down here and I didn't take it. Should have went my first instinct. Going to take a lunch, be back in 30 minutes. Been up since UK Open. Wow. Yeah, you need a break. I had ChatGPT help me try to figure it out, but there's a lot of moving parts. I'll throw what ChatGPT helped me with in your Discord. Yeah, I appreciate that. If we can talk tonight, I can show you. Yeah, well, we have Bible study tonight. I don't know if you're coming to that. But we have Bible study tonight if you guys want to join us at 7 p.m. Yeah, we could talk about that too afterwards. All right, let's see what happens here. Yeah, this is a straight rocket to the upside here. Crazy thing is, I was gonna take that long. I was gonna take that long, but I did not. It doesn't matter, right? It only matters if you take it. All right, looks like she may want to push higher here, possibly back into the yesterday's highs. If she does, then that means that she is looking for higher prices today. If she does not and she rolls over here, then that means that she does not. And we might still revisit that overnight high or even possibly down that VWAP. I don't doubt it. We'll just have to wait to see what she gives us. Okay, yeah, around 8 p.m. I think you mentioned that. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Is she going to sweep the high here? Is she going to take the 400s? All right, she grabbed the 400s. Now it looks like the market has come back to life. A lot more orders being set now at 412. Some orders at 387. And most likely this market may want to go higher. All right. Which one's it going to be? Let's see if we can get this move here. See if we get the push down. Is this what she actually may want? There she goes. Are you still in the short, Micaiah? I see Chooch at 21,384. I'm 1 minute closed below that level, and good night NQ. 384. 348, you mean 348. This is Micaiah. In 2 micros, okay? Nice, brother. This is a difficult call here, guys. It's like a game of chess. It really is like a game of chess. 4D chess here with this NQ. Up 150 bones. Oh, you took it quick, huh? Moving stop to break even at 395. Good job. Are you trading all your accounts with micros, or are you using minis? I always trade micros. I'm more comfortable with them. Yeah, that makes sense, man. I might actually give that a shot too. I know there's a higher fees with them, but I don't care. Yeah, but you can have way wider stops, and it just makes trading a little bit easier. I like scaling in and out. Okay, that makes sense. I may have to give that a try, man. Did your profitability change when you started trading micros, or did you always trade micros? Yeah. Alright, we'll sit tight here. See what happens. See if this market has any strength, or if it's all a lie. It was all a dream. People must think it's nuts, but watch the 5-second and sometimes 15-second charts. I don't even have a 5-second, but 15-second I've seen before, but can't really trade it. Must be pretty wild to watch though. It's like watching a 100 tick chart. This market wants to go lower. Let's see what this market has in store here, whether it wants to go higher or if it wants to drop it like it's hot. You just have to realize in your head that 15-second candles, that 4 15-second candles is 1 minute. Yeah. You might catch too many false signals in there though. I don't know what you think about that. Gives you an idea of what each 1 minute candle is doing. I got you. Do you trade off the 1 minute or do you trade off the 15-second? Working on the inside bar on a 5-minute and 15-minute. I avoid these, likely to chop. Yeah, I see the chop. The chop is real. The chop has been real. I usually enter on the 5 and 15-second, but draw my levels off larger time frames. Oh, okay. I understand what you're saying. Yeah, you're the second trader to tell me to look at the 15-second. All right, let's see if she wants to take the highs here. Let's see if she actually wants to take these highs. Not too bad. Let's see if she goes. Volume is still low, but let's see if she has it. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Let's see what this market has in store here. Come on, market. Do something. Do something, market. I used to look at the seconds chart, but it caused me to overtrade, so I stopped. Says that big pun? All right. This chop is really a hard one to trade, guys. I will say. Come on, baby, push it to the 420s, maybe. Yeah, she just broke it. She just took the highs here. Looks like she'll probably squeeze and go higher. Guys, give me 1 sec. All right. Looks like the market is triple topping here. Nice little triple top. Does she continue going, or is she going to roll over? Who knows at this point? Shorted 400, very tight stop. All right, let's see what she does. What a chop fest here. Let me take a look at Arkai's 15-second. See if I see what he's talking about. So we had a top here. Yeah, I see that. I could see how you, at these levels, would look at that. I see your idea. Yeah, there go the shorts. Yeah, shorts are coming in. Yeah, good on you, Micaiah. I see what you're talking about. Maybe I'll keep it open on another screen. I'll do that NQ. It's like people with the 100 tick chart, right? It's the same thing concept. It's like the same concept almost. Hold on. Wow, 15-second might be a game changer, man. Thank you for that. Could be a game changer. Thank you, brother. Took 120 and 2 runners. Yeah, thank you. About to get stopped out here. Triple top looks really possible here. Wow. She gave us a triple top. All right. Still want that 348 level to snap, he says? Okay. Yeah, if it does, I think it's going to be a rough day. Rough day for the NQ if it does. Looks like now we could possibly see a good move to the upside if we get some follow through here on this 3 minute. You see the delta exactly the way we wanted to see it. Right here. This could push up higher if we do get some follow through. If we don't, then we're screwed. Okay. Looks like a hard push here. Triple top with a hard push. Wow. 1600 to the downside. All right, it's a possible good entry. We'll see. We just made a lower low. Keep that in mind. Breaking the bullish structure. Now it looks like she's probably going to drop down to the VWAP. She would really need something strong here to move back up, but we'll see. Maybe she has it. Maybe she has it, but I think she's going to squeeze even further down to VWAP. When she does things like this, she ends up doing a lot more damage than what you initially think. A lot of people are going to try to long here off the overnight highs, but it's going to be ugly. SPX coming for yesterday's gap. Still want 348 level to snap. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. This is a pretty nasty drop here. See if they recuperate these imbalances first. See if they push higher here. Okay. We'll see. See if this is what the market wants. It's just pushing kind of hard. Are the bulls back in town? It's 12 o'clock, new hour. This could have some oomph. And a bit of a chop fest here, but if we can get this move up higher to 21.4s, we might have something on our hands. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see what the market wants to do. Is the triple top going to hold, or are we going to move down to the VWAP? VWAP sitting at 300. All right. All right, man, this is horrible. All right, guys, I think I need a mental break here. I thought I was long, and I was actually short on 2 contracts. So I just screwed up my evals big time, and yeah, I'm not too happy about that right now. I just realized that after I was down about 800, I thought it was up like 800, and then it just kept going against me. Oh my god, oh, I'm so pissed right now. These accounts are done for. These accounts are $50 left in them. Oh my god, man. There's only $50 left in drawdown. I was up so nice on these. I would have just passed my evals right now. I would have just right now passed my evals. I thought I was long, I was short. Yeah, yeah, I know, bro. Keep going. Keep going right now. I got $50 left in the account. Man. Dude, this is one of those days where I should have just never got out of bed. I demolished my funded account this morning before the open. And then right now I just crushed my damn evals. And they were copy traded, 3 copy traded evals. I was doing so good. I was $400 away from passing those. Now I am done. I'm literally down like negative 3,000 right now in these, because I just went short, thought I was long with my hotkeys. I used my hotkeys on that, and I thought I was long. Man, that sucks so bad. I know I'll be all right. They're only $15 evals, man. That sucks right now. Oh my god. What are you gonna do? I caught that long perfectly. I mean, perfect to the T. I even went to break even, and it respected the break even. I would have passed my eval right now. Oh, that hurts. That hurts the team. That really does hurt. That really does hurt. Right, I'm not gonna what's it called? I'm not gonna tilt because of it. I think I need to chill out for a minute, calm down, because I'm so pissed right now. I'm so pissed because these trades never work out this clean. They never move this damn clean here. They never move like this. Right here, this move straight up never happens. Never happens. And it just did it. Oh man. Whatever. I think my thing's broken too. That sucks. Just got done with trading and stream session. How's trading going so far? Yeah, it was fine up until a few minutes ago. Puglisi, I just took a short, and I thought I was long, and I was letting that thing run. I was like, yeah, I'm doing really good on this trade, and then I realized that I tried to move it to break even, and it said break even function not working. I'm like, what? Why is my break even function not working? So then I moved my take profit to break even, thinking I was moving my stop loss to break even. And then I realized, why is my balance going down so much? And then when I noticed, I'm like, wait, I'm in the wrong trade. How long I've been at this? Too long, man. Too long to be making mistakes like that. That's a hotkey. That was a hotkey mistake I just made right there. Yeah, I've been at this for streaming and trading about 5 months, and trading for about 4 years. 2 years trading Bitcoin and 2 years trading NQ off and on. So there's no reason for me to make these mistakes, man. No reason at all. All right. Yeah. Yeah, you've been through it too. Yeah. All right, whatever, man. What are you gonna do? You can't cry over, right? So we have to continue trying. You gotta continue trying. That's why it's good that these evals are only $15. If you guys wanna get some of your own $15 evals here, use the coupon code down below. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to get. I'm gonna try it again. Oh man, it's $400. Literally $400 away from passing these three. I've been trading them like a G, like perfectly. I've been trading them to the best trading I've done in a long time with these accounts. Just to wrap them up right now in one trade. Whatever. It happens. Don't worry about it, guys, though. I'm not going to let it get to me. I'm going to take a breather. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm going to take a breather and see if I can regroup here. Grab some more evals and I'll try it again. All right, let me try to grab these accounts. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, we should be all set. Let's go ahead and see if our accounts are active. I think the anger is good. Been there, brother. Got to get punched in the mouth every once in a while to stay humble. Yeah, believe me, I haven't gotten to the point of being cocky just yet, but I'll try not to. Good morning and God bless everyone. Hope all is well. What's up, Timmy? Hope you're doing good, brother. I'm bullish, looking like a football to me. Keep sending it up. Yeah, probably. Let's see what we got on our hands. About to full port this thing. You guys want to Being for a good laugh, I'm about to full port this thing and see if we can't get it to go in our direction without any drawdown. I may have to restart my stream because it looks like my hotkeys are not working for some reason. Or maybe that was part of the problem. We'll see. Give me a sec. Alright, try this again. Alright, let's see if we can, where is it, 5? Gotta see my screen. Let's go, let's just blow this account up on stream here. Alright, cool. Let's just blow this account up on stream. Here we go, let's go. Let's blow it up, guys. Let's blow it up. Got $50 left in this account. Let's see if they can get to 400. Then maybe we have a chance. Let's see if it'll go. This would be funny if it does. And we recuperate these accounts. That'd be hilarious. Hilarious, I tell you. Let's see if your football got what it takes, Timmy. If not, we'll blow this account right here, right now. If we go negative 50 here, we will be done for. But if it's a grace of God, we can move higher on this pump here to 419. We could see a miracle take place. We could see a miracle. Could see a miracle. All right. Let's move this puppy to break even, maybe, or we just let it roll. Come on, baby. Let's go higher. Don't go negative 50 bucks, whatever you do. Do not go negative 50 bucks. Let's get a pepperoni and cheese. Let's get a pepperoni and cheese to 419. If not, I'm Dunsky. Done for. She don't look that healthy, but she don't look that bad either. We'll see. Move to above B after it takes the high. Let's see what she does. Could just get stopped out here. Yeah, it looks like that's what's going to happen here. Yep, ineligible for funding. There we go. That's the comment I was waiting for. All right. Yeah, not the day. Might want one more dip before going up. Yeah. Thank you, Timmy. I appreciate that, man. I went long because of you. No, I'm just kidding, bud. I'm just kidding. I just went long because I saw that. I mean, we're up $100, but thought we'd have a little more. All right, so let me set up my new batch here. Five. Oh, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 08, 09, and 10. You're still short? You canceled your stop? Watched? Glad you did. Woof, look at that. Just tagged my limit order. Let's see if she still wants to go now. Yeah. Nice, man. Good job. 08, 09, and 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's $38. Yeah, good job, man. Good job on the trading. Looking really good. A lot of chop here, though. It is crazy. Just tag your limit order, see if she wants to go or not. I'm seeing a strong move to the upside here. Seeing that she could want to do that, but I could be wrong. She has been consolidating pretty hard down here, but I think she's gonna rip it to the upside pretty soon. We'll see. What are you guys thinking here? She goes down to VWAP or she tries to reverse back higher? It's a quadruple top. That's what it looks like, quadruple top. Yeah, that's a crazy. This is consolidation to its finest. Let's see what the sneaky market's up to. We'll see what she actually wants. Breaks 413, we might have a bullish market for a bit. I think we could. I think we could reach up to those 450 level. Yeah. What a chop fest though. I will tell you. This is Chop Fest 2025. Let's see if she pulls off move higher or move lower. We'll see. Anything is possible. It's been a crazy move. Alright, looks like she wants lower. Yeah. She's gonna push lower, hit a VWAP most likely. Breaks 413, huh? 413 is important to the market. Let's see if we can do it. It's been a quadruple top here. Let's see if she's got what it takes. Let's see if she's got what it takes. See if there's any strength in this market. Yeah, looks like she's gonna melt. Here she goes melting down. Yeah. All right. Don't think I'm in the right mindset to keep trading today. We'll see. Had a really bad day today. Really, really bad day today. This market has been neither heads or tails, but we'll see. All right. Come on. What's it gonna be? I'll just paper trade for now then, because I'm not gonna continue risking more. This is crazy. This is fun. Isn't this fun? Rather just take our losses here. Yeah, today was a miserable way of this price action was just miserable, and I fell right into it and got. Well, actually, I can't really even say that. I did pretty bad on the pre-market, but that had nothing to do with this price action. I just read the market wrong. But I single-handedly did make the stupid mistake earlier today. This just got me kind of tilted right now. But what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Yeah, let's see. Is the market going to reach up to 413 like Puglisi said? We all have those days. Yeah, man. It's all about the attitude for tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to conserve my mental capital, man. Because I'm just beyond myself at the moment right now. Sent you a DM of what I'm seeing. Might want the lows or more time though. Stupid seek and destroy. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know. I see something that I liked here. I saw this. I saw this little delta trap here. It did exactly what I thought it'd do. I think it still has something left in it, but we'll see. I do like the pop to the upside. I really do. But we'll see. Yeah, this chop is crazy. Non-directional. Yeah. Great day to get destroyed for sure. Yeah, I kind of figured we'd chop like this sideways for a majority of the day. But I didn't think it'd be this bad. Really did not think it'd be this bad. Even my paper trades are getting stopped out. Even my paper trades are getting bad. Oh man. You seeing the football here, Timmy? That football is giving you an inclination that we go to the upside. Yeah. Eventually this thing's gonna go. Eventually thing's gonna go. It's gonna rip high. I'm telling you, I think this thing's gonna rip really high today. Eventually it's gonna go. the YM is getting rejected hard, huh? Yeah, I see that. Wow. Yeah, I just want to backlog. We'll add if it swaps them lows. Yeah. Yeah, this blows, man. This really blows. All right. I don't know, man. I don't know what to call here. Yeah. All right. Let's have some self-control here. We'll just get ourselves regrouped and think about positive things only. Don't like the trading I did today, but that's beyond my control now. All right. Yeah, this market here, guys, is just setting up to really just hurt traders right now. So what I would say is I'm going to call it an early day. Under 6,000. I'm shorting? Okay. I might call it an early day here. Go to the gym and blow off some steam. Are you from the East Coast or West, El Capitan? I'm from the West Coast of Florida, but the East Coast of the United States, if that's what you're referring to. Yeah, it looks like the S&P is falling off a cliff here. S&P just jumped off the VWAP ledge. There she goes. She just jumped off the ledge, guys. Look at her go. Yeah, it looks like the NQ is following suit here, reaching for the VWAP. Yeah. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna do some journaling and try to figure out where I went wrong today. I wish you guys all the best of luck today, man. I'm sorry I can't stay here any longer. I'm gonna end up doing something dumb if I do. I don't want to trade. I don't want to keep trading today under these circumstances, and I see the market's not really performing too well either. So I'm just gonna take off, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. I know I'm a little bit early today to finishing up the stream, but I'm not feeling it, and I think I'm probably more effective right now on figuring out where I went wrong this morning, and also blowing some steam off at the gym. So I wish you guys all the best. Remember, if you guys are up for it, we do have Bible study tonight for our first Bible study ever. Success in God's Eyes. We're going to be covering this here. If you guys want to join us, the link is down below in the description. I will see you guys there on the voice chat. It's going to be pretty good. I know it will be. And as well, if you guys want to utilize the discount codes we have for prop firms, check out 91% off of Buellnox. That gives you a $15 eval. And then we've also got Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, links down there below too if you guys are looking for any new evals. So thank you. God bless everyone. And I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9. Take care, guys.